Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for curried pork. I just realized that I have no curried pork recipes on my channel, so today I'll be fixing that. Here I already have the pork already well seasoned, and I'll show you guys how I did it in just a minute. I have some chopped onions, some thyme, scallions, and some cilantro. I'll be using some potatoes as well as green seasoning, habanero peppers, garlic, and I have two types of curry powders here, chiefs and indi, as well as some garam masala, geera, better known as cumin. And for the seasonings, I'll be using some mushroom seasoning, bouillon, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and black pepper. Here's how I prepped and seasoned the pork. First, I trimmed off the fat, washed in vinegar, and the part that I'm using is the butt or shoulder. For the seasonings, I use garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, meat seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some fresh green seasoning. What I did was add all the ingredients to the pork, mix really well, cover, and set aside to marinate for a few hours. Next, we'll prepare a curry paste by adding our green seasoning to the curry powders and the spices. Then we'll add some water to that and mix into a paste-like consistency. To a preheated wok, I did add some oil, and now we will go in with that curry paste. You want to give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. 2 minutes in, we will add the onions and garlic. We'll give that a good stir and allow it to go for the remaining 3 minutes. After about 5 minutes, the curry should be perfectly cooked. As you can see, it is separating from the oil and it's darker in color, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Next, we will add our pork here, give it a good stir, and make sure it's nicely coated with that curry mixture. Then we'll sit the lid on and allow this to cook until all the moisture from the pork has been released. So after about 15 minutes, as you can see, the pork has released a lot of liquid. And what I like to do is go ahead and allow this to evaporate. I will leave it uncovered and just allow some of that liquid to evaporate. So at this point, as you can see, all the liquid has evaporated. And now we'll come in with some hot water. We'll give it a good stir, sit the lid on, and allow it to go for about an hour and 15 minutes on medium to low heat. So after about 1 hour and 15 minutes, the pork should be nice and tender. Well, my pork was, but it depends. You might have a different kind of pork, so the time will vary. Now, this is the part where you want to taste and see how much more seasoning needs to be added, or if you need to add any at all, because my pork was very well seasoned and that carried over into the sauce, so I didn't have to add much seasoning. I just added a tad bit. Next, you want to add all of your potatoes. You want to add some more onions, your herbs, habanero peppers, and we will add the seasoning here. We'll give it a good stir, cover, and allow it to cook until the potatoes are nice and tender. And this is it, guys. Once the potatoes are nice and tender, the curried pork is finally done. Now we can turn this heat off and get ready to plate up. So I did play this up with some hot jasmine rice and a fresh garden salad. Let me tell you, it was so mouth-watering. The pork was melting in my mouth and it was heaven on earth. Trust me, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!